In a world where AI is rapidly changing how we analyze markets, Factset is positioning itself as the fluent partner, launching a first-to-market MCP server solution to integrate its data with third-party AI tools. But is this platform the right fit for your workflow, or is it simply overkill for your needs? In this detailed review, we are going to dissect the official Factset website, examining its core offerings for investment banks, wealth managers, and corporations to uncover the real pros and cons of this massive financial data ecosystem. Factset markets itself as a comprehensive financial data, market analytics, and AI solution, and its entire structure revolves around serving very specific client types, which is a significant strength. It breaks down its offerings for buy-side firms, corporations, investment banks, private capital managers, and wealth management firms, meaning the platform is designed to handle the full investment workflow from research and idea generation to portfolio execution, risk management, and client reporting. A major pro highlighted on the site is its adaptability, offering scalable and customizable tools like the IM workstation for asset managers and the advisor dashboard for wealth advisors, aiming to support complex strategies without adding operational complexity. So, after analyzing the official Factset website, the verdict is that this is a premium, enterprise-grade platform built for speed and depth, ideal for institutions that need trusted data across the entire investment lifecycle. The major takeaway is that while the pros include exceptional scalability, specialized workflows for different financial roles, and a strong push into AI integration, the cons revolve around its complexity and institutional focus, meaning it is likely not the right fit for casual users or those just starting out. Thanks for watching and see you later.